When a crime is committed, the police are responsible for catching and charging suspects. The court is responsible for hearing all the evidence and deciding if the accused is innocent or guilty. The job of the news writer is to tell people about the crime and what has happened in court. All Kenyan courts are open to the public. There are a few situations, however, in which you will not be allowed to enter a court proceeding, and in these cases, it will be clearly stated so you know if you're not welcome. This lesson will aim to show you 1. Why people report court cases. 2. What you can and can't do when reporting a court case. And 3. How to write a good court case story. For more information, see the additional learning resources and quizzes below this video on the lessons page. Why people report court cases. Reporting on the actions of a court helps support public confidence in the rule of law. Knowing the consequences of crime helps to stop people from committing crimes in the first place. These stories also help to hold the courts accountable. Are their judgments fair? Are they consistent? They are also informative and entertaining because it's all about human drama. Do's and don'ts. The most important thing to keep in mind throughout the process is to always be fair, accurate, and never be malicious when writing about the case. Remember, the accused is innocent until proven guilty. Everyone has a right to a fair trial, so respect the court process and respect the privacy of the accused. From when the accused is charged to when the outcome of the court proceedings have been reached, there are rules of what you can and can't write throughout the process. We will look at these now. Before the court process begins, it is okay to write about the crime, but only report facts. It is okay to talk to people who saw the crime, but it is very important that you do not try to predict the outcome of the case. Once the court is in process, only report the things that have been seen or heard by the court. Key moments during the proceedings can be included too. It is not your position as a reporter to take sides, so don't publish any background information while the case is ongoing without seeking legal advice. Never write any names of children involved in the court case. Do not write any details of the crime that are not confirmed in court. Look at this example. What does this make you think about Mary? Although not said, this gives the idea to the reader that Mary may be hiding something and that she is likely to be guilty. If there is an appeal to the court case, you must go back to being neutral and only speaking of the facts, no opinions. The consequences of failing to report court cases in the right way can be anything from a fine to imprisonment, so get your facts and know the law. Now you know the do's and don'ts. We will end with tips on how to write a good court story. Research the court and the case. Go to court. Remain objective throughout. Take good notes with word-for-word quotes. Do interviews and get all background information. Now you're ready to write. Remember to use simple language. Know your rights and the rights of those you're writing about by reading up on the laws that are in place to protect the privacy of the accused and to protect yourself. See the extra information on this lesson for quick summary of these, and for more detail, watch out for the lessons to follow on writing lawfully.